Hi everyone, today I'm going to do a video on a quick and easy makeup look with Charlotte Tilbury The Light Wonder. This is the NARS, the Copacabana Illuminator. So I'm just going to add a wee bit of that. I'm just going to use my hands, just put a wee bit on there. This is the Charlotte Tilbury, what's it called? The Mini Miracle Eye Wand. I can never say that. So it's got like a cream on one side, so I'm just going to put a wee bit of that on actually. Then the other side has got the peachy colour in it. It's a sort of colour corrector. I'd like to try Charlotte Tilbury, the new one that she's got out. She's got the colour corrector and there's the 4 shades. So for my eyes, I'm going to start with, this is lovely. This is the Charlotte Tilbury, the cream eyeshadow. This is the one, Eyes to Mesmerise in Rose Gold. See that? It's kind of like, I think one's called Yogurt, I remember that. Your one is Yogurt, which I think could be that one. And that one, oh, I can't remember what is that. I don't know what that is either. So I'm going to start with that really light one. Get a smaller brush, just a wee bit more finer, and then I'm going to go in with that bottom colour, which I don't know what it is. These do take quite a bit of building up, I have to admit. The colour payoff, it's taken a bit compared to the likes of that Natasha Denona, by far, oh, it's by far my favourite. Like, I can tell the difference in how it applies. I mean, don't get me wrong, these aren't bad, but I just feel it's not building up. You know, it's taking me a bit more building up. It's not as easy. It's a wee shimmery colour. I'll just use my fingers for that. It's like a sort of baby pink shimmer. Yeah, there's definitely the shimmery one's going on a lot nicer. Just do my lashes. Oh, I've got something in my eye now. The Stila, I'm not sure how you pronounce it. The Smudge Kajal eyeliner. They're really nice. I'm going to use another one. I've got the nude one I'm going to use, but in my waterline. But these, I've got the black one too. They're so soft. It's not like a pencil. It doesn't rub. They're really soft. So I'm just going to do that right along my lash line. I'm not going to tight line. This is the one, the Stila, the nude one, I think. I think it's just nude. Yeah, the nude one. This is really nice just for opening up your eye. Deeper colour on my wee smudger brush again. Just go under there. Just a wee bit of definition. Don't want too much because it's not a heavy look that I'm doing, but it does give me a wee bit. Using the Kat Von D, the Go Big or Go Home, that's the one that irritates my eyes, but I'm not going to have it on for long enough, so it'll be fine. Just put a bit more. It doesn't need to be too precise because I'm going to tidy it up underneath anyway. This is the Illamasqua, the Gel Sculpt. I think that's what you call it. And that's, is it a shade for that one? Yeah, Silhouette. So it's a really weird looking thing. This is my own as well. It's like that, but it's really like watery kind of gel. It's hard to describe. But I'm just going to use that to contour so it goes on. It does look quite full on, but once it's blended in, it's fine. It does look a bit crazy just now, but it blends in nice. It's got a nice smell to it as well. But I still don't know. It's kind of like a, oh, I don't know how to describe it. So you just give it a good buff in. See how that's just, it's really nice buffed in. I know it just looked a bit weird at first, but I'm going to go back and I might just use a wee bit of concealer under my eyes now. I'm going to get that concealer again and just go over any blemishes. There's one, I say wee, it's quite big. Although my fringe will cover that. There's another one that's here. I'm just going to use the NYX micro brow pencil. It's my own one. So I'm just going to brush them up. That's Daniel Sandler. I'm sticking to cream products. I don't really want any powder on or anything because I'm just taking it off as well, and I think for my skin powder can be a bit much sometimes. It goes on quite, you know, but it really blends out nicely. I don't need a bit of colour around me. I'm just going to use, well, it's my own one. Was that the one I got out? I thought I got a different colour out. Subculture by MAC. Again, this is mine. It's down to that. I think I'll need a brush for it. I don't know. Might go on without one. It does. Kind of reminds me of the new Charlotte Tilbury one, although I think that one's nicer. What's it called? Dance Floor Princess, one of my favourites. So that's it, as I say, I'll go and take some photos and wipe all that off my hand. It looks really weird, doesn't it? I'll take some photos and see it, but yeah, I mean, it's okay, the colours are quite pretty in that. I don't know, yeah, I don't know if it shows up that well, but I'll take some photos and see how it shows up. Okay, thanks for watching, bye.